Victor, Montana. We're at Quest Paintball. We just arrived. Everybody's getting signed up and getting their equipment.
On this field, people, do not blind fire. In other words, sticking your gun above a barricade or
Our chaperones for today are Edie Anderson and Joanne Johnson. Breeze out here. I think I'm an easy target for everybody back here. I hear them rolling by me. This one's zinging by me. Oh, those people have been already knocked out of the game way over there. Any time for me to either get in the game or get shot. Well, I'm out of the game. We still got a few left. We got the pink team here.
You got 7 minutes.
Got Megan hiding back there.
You surrender? I'm surrendering. Allow me to apologize, I think.
Sorry about pointing at the ground. See over here, we see team
You guys
2.
ready? Barrel plugs out. Here, barrel plug out. Henry. Yeah? Go ahead and start the barrel. Be right there. Come with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, get out! Get out!
Sorry. Getting out of everybody's way. Luke Hanson. Gonna come in and sneak in from behind.
Did I get it?
Fellows in
Yeah,
orange
you got
vest
it.
here, they're referees.
Pete. Sorry, Pete. That's all right.
Pete sorry is our first casualty. It's all right.
Is it alright if I just head back and start cleaning up? Yeah.
hit it much?
No. What?
Another casualty.
Oh!
You're out.
Alright. Damn, I can't believe I missed it.
Yep.
Is there any
Boot's
paint on
out
my
now.
head?
No.
Shit. Got me over me, or I thought that fucking...
I get you? Who got you? You got me, I think.
I thought I had him. Ew.
I was hoping Jake would stand up. I was waiting.
Hard stuff there looks like. Oh, here it is. Right through that fucking hole. I didn't do it. Pretty good shot.
Who hit you finally? Woo. Oh, did he?
Finally, yeah.
Like there's Amanda hiding back here.
I know.
No.
This thing doesn't
Amanda and Megan both hiding back here.
Whoa. I'm gonna get real close here in a second.
Dude, man.
Boom! You're gone!
I need a different gun.
Come on!
That guy right over there, I didn't even see him.
Oh, yeah.
Look at my pants. Look at my paint. Oh, man.
Prick over there. I swear to God, I got it. No, one got me on the leg. That's the only reason I came out. I got double whammy. Woo! I'm not even worried about that.
Yeah!
Get your helmet down.
I didn't think there was that many left, but...
You're up! Hey, how much ammo you got? I got a lot. You mind if I borrow some? Yeah.
Just finally got killed. Who's that? Is that Caleb? I did. It's like, he's aiming at me and it's bouncing off my shoulder. And it's got hit by 5 times. No!
Put your goggles down.
And you just got massacred. He got like
back here.
Ow!
Really?
No! Look at that 5 times!
Oh, right in the face there. Where were you looking?
So I went to move and I got it like 5 times.
We got the flag!
Say Tiffany. There we go. Gotta keep your goggles on.
Come on, Jody! Go! I want to do blank fire at him from here.
I can't see it.
Pretty good, so.
Like Megan got it.
Megan got it right to face. Watch out, Megan, you're gonna get shot.
Megan.
Man, you don't want to give them things like in box face that they stacked up on. Yeah. They shoot right through it. Oh,
Hey,
man.
we got Josh up here.
That's Derek.
Oh, there. Sorry. We got Amanda back here. See Caleb over there. They're honing in on him.
Jody, where are they?
It's kind of in my eye.
Well, walk back. And
One of my ribs didn't break.
There was one that bounced off Billy Joe and bounced off me.
Yeah, I got like tags with them.
I think it hurt worse than it does right.
looks like Billy Joe coming off.
Right in the boob, you guys.
You got it in the pool, maybe it was the well Billy Joe. Does it bother you? I want to like feel
Ain't that the
Good job,
shit?
Amanda!
Someone's behind that wheel. He's up!
Fuck. He's out.
Oh, yeah! Ow!
Woo, Jody!
This time we're in the forest. It's like a jungle out here. We go like normal. The opposing team to come get our flag. The camouflage feel pretty good. Somebody on my team. Kids all sure seem like they're having lots of fun. For the record, this is June 1st, 1998. I think I better get in another position. Being a chicken way back here isn't seeing any kind of action. triangle over here from us. This area.
Hey Max, Mom.
Friendly fire from Luke at me.
Jake, did I break? No. Damn.
Up.
Jake, watch that.
Edie Anderson's out. All right, Jake's got a smoking barrel on his.
Where are they at?
Time to get in a different position. Well, I'm hiding back in a fort somewhere.
Jake, go in front of you.
Well, 20 years from now, kids, and you're watching this, I'll apologize. Sorry for the shaky hand. Time for me to move up again. With all these people over here. I wonder who that was that got me. Find out. Who is that shot me anyway?
Go for it. Who on my own? Who is it who's on my team shot? Go for it, somebody. What? I mean, they shot me. I was like, damn,
Tiffany's being pretty brave standing up here. Scared you.
I should start firing.
Final game of the day. They're back to the jungle.
What? Are you serious? Shit.
Joe's got a little friendly fire going on here.